Hi, if you want to control music for your Huawei Band 9, then you will need to open settings on your phone first, go in the notifications, and here scroll to see whether the notifications for the Huawei Health are enabled or not. If not, enable it by tapping on the switcher. Now we just need to play any song, just tap here. And now we need to take the watch, press on the power button to open the list of apps, find the music, and now we can manage our music on the watch. So you can pause it, you can play it, you can increase the volume by tapping on this icon, you can decrease the volume by tapping on the left icon, you can switch to the next song, to the previous song, and also you can just go back using this power button. And in that case, to find the music once more, you can just swipe from this left edge like that, and you will see your music here. Just tap it, and now you can control it again. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.